アイス、僕が怖い？なんで？
In the world of Tensura, there are many powerful races, demons, spirits, and other fearsome entities, but true dragons are by far the strongest. Only 5 are known to exist: Star King Dragon Veldanava, Frost Dragon Velzar, Scorched Dragon Velgrind, Storm Dragon Veldora, Chaos Creator Rimuru. According to the investigation, Rimuru had been born from the magicule pool that leaked from Veldora. And yet, Rimuru devoured all of the Storm Dragon, his parent, and transformed himself into the 5th true dragon, Ultimate Slime. Immediately after, the slime began to take human form. He had a single sword in his hand, and not a scrap of clothing. He looked around 15 to 16 years old. At a height of only 160 centimeters or so, it was not an exaggeration to say that he was of small stature. However, the amount of magicule contained within him was not only comparable to Veldora's, but it also surpassed it. His golden eyes were large and beautiful, as if they could see through everything. His silvery hair was lightly tinged with light blue, giving off a moonlit glow. He had no gender, and his face was more dainty than beautiful. However, the divine presence that he gave off was sublimely transformed into beauty. His dazzling white skin was cloaked in an aura of black and gold.
There once was a middle-aged man who lived a perfectly ordinary life in Japan, but then he was stabbed to death, and so he was reincarnated in a new world. He absorbed the storm dragon Veldora, as well as the body and will of a powerful champion named Shizu. He overcame many challenges, and brought together monsters of all races. He built a nation, and saved children from an early grave. His name is Rimuru Tempest, and he's not a bad flying slur.
Till it gets still, everybody sing.